Monroe.
Oh, Shaggy, what did you put a Scooby snack in my bra?
Like what? No!
Oh, I think it's a lump.
Like, dude, you should get that checked out like ASAP.
I'm sure it's fine. My boobs are just lumpy.
Scalpel. She was lucky. Caught the tumor just in time.
And I would have gotten away with it, too, if it weren't for those meddling kids.